Hello, everyone. It's Mrs. Thornton. So, this is the song Rain, Rain, Go Away, where we're practicing high and low. We're also doing short and long. So, each picture here, the penguins, shows a steady beat. So, we're going to sing the song Rain, Rain, Go Away and tap a steady beat. So, either with our hands or our rhythm sticks, whatever we have in the class. So, here we go. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. All the family wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. So that's tapping a nice steady beat for rain, rain, go away. So the next one down is long and short sounds. Okay, so which ones are the short sound? Which one of these penguins? Is it 1, 2, 3, or 4? Give me a second. Right, it's 3. It's long, long, short, short, long, 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 short, short, long, or quarter note, ta, ta, ti, ti, ta, 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 ti, ti, ta. Rain, rain, go away. So go are the short sounds. Okay, next one. High and low sounds. So let's do with our hands. So me. Rain, rain, go away. So we're going to change our hand every time the pitch, the sound that goes up and down, changes. Come again another day. All the family wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Or we can just do high, low. So everybody, let's do high, low together. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. All the family wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. High, low. So see how the song can be many different ways. It can be high, low. It can be long, short. And today we also did a steady beat on Rain, Rain, Go Away. Thanks for listening, guys, and we'll catch you later. Bye.